shear x beta, and this is equal to, so it's positive shear plus by 5 KSI. Okay, so from here we are going to construct Mohs circle. Okay, we're going to construct Mohs circle. Okay, so this is minus 20, minus 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, 2, 4. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so this is normal stress. Then we have shearing stress. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10, minus 12. Okay, so we know that point X is over here, right? Sorry. So we know that point X is over here. Point Y, we don't know yet. Okay, it's minus P over A. Then we know we can draw a minus 15 line. Now the minus 15 line will be over here. And then we have a 5 just here. So we have a 5 here also. Okay. So the first point, X, is from a 0 degree element. Okay. So the beta degree element orientation, you have the minus 15, an element rotate in a clockwise way, I'm having, so this is the element rotating minus 15, rotating, hold on, I'm having a brain, like a brain. Okay, so the element is rotating in a, so if you put your finger center, rotating in a clockwise direction, right? So clockwise direction is down here. Okay, so so now this is my y beta point, right? Right. So what is the difference is when you draw it in two elements, right? It is not directly like if you draw from one element, right? The x beta will go below the 0 normal stress line, right? Will go below the this line out here, right? But it did not, because you are drawing from two elements. Okay. So we are going to use the rules of the circle to solve this, right? So point X and point Y beta, they will be on the circumference of the circle. So just for visualization sake, this can be my point X, this can be my Y beta point, right? They lie on the same circle, right? So now when we use the rules of the circle, so I'm going to draw our x to y beta, and then I'm going to copy and paste, and I'm going to rotate by 90 degrees, right? So this is the position, right? So this is 90 degrees. This 90 degrees is equivalent to this 90 degrees over here, right? So now if we can find, I'm going to call this angle alpha angle, right? And this is equal to the alpha angle. We can find exactly the point over here, and that point is our point y. Okay, that point is our point y. So we can find our tangent alpha. Okay, so tangent alpha is equal to 5 divided by 15. Alpha is equal to 5 divided by 15. Inverse tangent is equal to 18 point. Wait, 5 divided by 15 inverse tangent is equal to 18.43 degrees. Okay, so we know that this is 18.43 degrees. Right. So now we can find our y, stress y. Okay, so stress y is equal to minus 15. Right. So minus by hold on, 5 tangent 18.43. Okay, so tangent 18.43 times 5. Okay, so why is that? Because we know that this height is 5, right? Right. And we are aware that over here, right, this is our 15. And then the distance from here to here, right, this is our 5 tangent 18.43. Okay. So when you compute this, tangent 18.43 times 5 plus by 15, so it's minus 16.67 or 666 KSI. Okay, so the equation is really I mean, is so straightforward, right? So the next thing we're going to find is we're going to find the beta angle, right? We're going to find the beta angle. So we are going to find the center of the circle because the beta angle is from the center of the circle. Okay, so we're going to find the center of the circle. Which is our stress average. So it's equal to minus 16.666 plus by 0 divided by 2. Right, so divided by 2, it's 8.333. So minus 8.333 KSI. Okay, so 8.333 is the center of our circle. So I'm just going to eyeball these, okay? So from here, we can draw our circle. Okay. So this is our mole circle. So the thing now we have to find is this angle over here, right? But okay, what is the angle? So we want to find from point Y, right? We want to find from point Y to Y beta is a rotation that is anti-clockwise. Sorry, clockwise. Okay. So point Y to Y beta is clockwise. Okay. So clockwise from our stress average, right? So this is the rotation we're to find, right? And this angle over here on the element is beta, so this is 2 beta, right? Okay. So the thing is we know alpha already, right? We know what is our alpha angle. So we also know that this angle over here, right, is also equal to 2 alpha. Why? Because remember we call the angle over here alpha. Here is equal to what? 2 alpha. Okay. So from here we can write out that 2 beta is equal to 2 alpha, right? Beta is equal to alpha, and the orientation is 18.43 degrees. Okay. In terms of mole circle, this is one of the toughest question, but it's not difficult to solve using mole circle, okay, by knowing the rules of the circle. Okay, that's all for today. Those of you are taking your fluid term test, all the best, okay? That's all. Thank you.